Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to program your Toyota Corolla remote key. To begin, make sure your driver's door is open and unlocked, while all other doors are securely closed. You'll also need your ignition key and any remote fobs you wish to program. This process requires precise timing, so having everything prepared beforehand will help ensure a smooth and successful programming experience for your vehicle. Now, let's start the sequence to enter programming mode. First, take your ignition key and insert it into the ignition cylinder, then quickly remove it. Repeat this action one more time, ensuring both insertions and removals are completed within a quick 5-second window. Immediately after, close the driver's door, then open it. Repeat this close and open action once more, all within 40 seconds. Continuing the sequence, insert your key into the ignition and remove it just one time. Following this, close and open the driver's door 2 more times. Now, insert the key into the ignition and leave it there, then close the driver's door. Turn the ignition to the on position without starting the engine, then immediately turn it back to off. Remove the key. Within 3 seconds, your door lock should cycle, confirming you are in programming mode. Now, on your remote, press and hold both the lock and unlock buttons simultaneously for about 2 seconds, then release. Immediately press and hold only the lock button for another 2 seconds. The door locks will cycle once to indicate successful programming. If you have more remotes, repeat this step. To exit, simply open the driver's door.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.